In this video, I'll be finally finishing the light tinting. Right YouTube, so welcome back to the channel. So this has unintentionally become a three-part series. It's just taken a bit longer than expected. So those rear corner lights, if you'd have seen the last episode I was wrapping, I gave up on those corner lights. Just I haven't got the skill to do that. So what I'm going to try instead is some spray tint. So this is what I'm going for. I don't know if it's going to be any good or not. It seems to have some good reviews on Amazon or eBay. I can't quite remember. So I have to try and remember to do a little test spray on something else before I go and spray the lights. That'd be a good idea. So as well as finishing those corner lights, I'm thinking I might tint the front fog lights as well. I'm not sure if I'm going to go the light tint or the medium one. Probably the light one, I think. But yeah, I should try and do them as well. Just set them up in the corner in my little spraying booth. So yeah, I think the can says you can do like a coat every 15 minutes. So yeah, it's then 24 hours to harden. So I'll see how many I can get done tonight. Not really sure how many it's going to take really, to be honest. Right, so it's the next day now. I did 2 coats yesterday. It's obviously easier to add another coat than take one off, so I thought I'd do those 2 coats, leave it dry, put it back on the car, or at least hold it up against the existing tint and see how it compares. Let's maybe have a little look in daylight, see how they look. So there we are. I did a better job than I thought I would on them. Not perfect by any stretch of the imagination, but they're not too bad. Right, there we are. Do you know, I think 2 coats is about right, to be honest. When you compare the 2 reds, they look pretty similar. So yeah, I'm going to stick with 2 coats, I think. Just need to get these lights back in. So I think 2 coats is maybe a little bit lighter than the wrap I put on. Right, sorry, I couldn't resist a nice little bit of cinematics. So apologies for this going for like, I don't know, 3 episodes now. Took a bit longer than expected, like all things, I guess. So that spray stuff, you can see when you look closely, it's a little bit different because I suppose technically it is a smoke, a spray on smoke. Sort of, what's it called exactly? Yeah, lens paint smoke. So it's going to look a bit different to just a tint wrap. But I'm quite pleased with it, to be honest. Possibly could have gone slightly darker, but I think one more shade possibly gone too dark. I don't know. You're always kind of worrying about MOTs and things, so you don't want to go too dark. That's why I went with the light tints at the front, so hopefully they'll pass. Be a bugger if I have to take them off. Right, so what have I got lined up next? I've got a track day coming up. I've got a car show. And then I'm going to start installing the M2 center section, and hopefully I'm going to get my Piper manifold and I'll say decat, it's not decat, sports cat. So hopefully I'll be getting them on over the coming weeks / months. Don't forget to go and use ModFix as your discount code for DinoDaysPerformanceParts.com. Don't forget to subscribe to their channel. I'm sure you already have. It's a great YouTube channel, loads and loads of content. Don't forget to go and subscribe to Robster VTech, if I can move my finger in the right way. There he is. And usual guys, Cowabunga Car Diaries, Type R tweaks, Barnsley Honda FN2, all that good stuff. And before I go, please like and subscribe, check a comment down below, hit that notification bell so you get notified when I release new videos. And I shall see you on the next one. Cheers, guys.